Good morning and good afternoon, RSGA STEM class, and whoever decided to watch this video. And welcome to video 4 on our series on STEM around us. In this video, we're going to look at energy transformations within technology. So think about this. What does a roller coaster, your phone battery, and a wind-up toy have in common? Well, they all use energy transformations, and in this video, we're going to unlock one of the most important laws in all of science. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only change forms. This is called the law of conservation of energy. And once you understand it, you'll see energy transformations happening everywhere around you. So, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. It comes in many forms: light, heat, sound, electrical, chemical, and mechanical. But in this video, we're focusing on two types of mechanical energy. That's potential energy, stored energy waiting to be used, and kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Those two are constantly swapping back and forth in the world around you. Potential energy is stored energy based on position or condition. When you lift a book onto a shelf, you're giving it gravitational potential energy. The higher it is, the more potential energy it has. A stretched rubber band has elastic potential energy. A compressed spring stores potential energy. It's like a coiled snake ready to strike. All that energy is just waiting to be released. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Anything that's moving has kinetic energy. The faster something moves, the more kinetic energy it has. The heavier something is, the more kinetic energy it has when moving. A semi-truck going at, say, 60 miles per hour has way more kinetic energy than, say, a small car going at the same speed, because that tractor trailer has a lot more mass. That's why big vehicles take longer to stop. Oh, but behold the transformation. Here's where things really get cool. Energy transforms back and forth between potential and kinetic. Picture a roller coaster at the very top before it goes down that large hill, right? Maximum potential energy, zero kinetic energy, because it's waiting to move. As it goes down the ramp, potential energy converts into kinetic energy. At the bottom of the ramp or the hill, it's moving really fast, maximum kinetic energy. As it climbs the next hill, kinetic energy converts back to potential energy, and it goes back and forth and forth and back and forth until the ride stops. Now it's time for a big scientific law: the law of conservation of energy. That means that energy cannot be created, nor can energy be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. The total amount of energy in a closed system always stays the same. When a basketball falls, potential energy becomes kinetic energy, kind of like with that roller coaster. But when it hits the ground, that kinetic energy becomes sound energy and heat energy. And the energy just doesn't disappear, it just changes forms. Scientists have tested this law millions of times, and it's never been broken. Ooh, did you know that there are different transformations of energy in your phone? Your smartphone is a energy transformation machine. The battery stores chemical potential energy. When you use your phone, that chemical energy transforms into electric energy. That electrical energy becomes light energy on your screen, or sound energy from your speakers, and heat energy because it's transforming. That's why your phone gets hot, by the way. Every single function on your phone involves changing energy forms. So, how about some more real world applications? You see, energy transformations power our entire civilizations. Power plants convert chemical energy from coal or gas into electrical energy from your home. What about nuclear power plants? Well, those nuclear metals are used to create heat, which is in water, right? It heats up the water to create steam. Those steam goes up to the vents and spins turbines, which again transfer energy into our homes. Car engines transfer chemical energy into gasoline, or from gasoline into the energy that moves our cars. Wind turbines change kinetic energy from wind into electrical energy. Solar panels transform light energy from the sun into electrical energy. Understanding these transformations help us create a better and more efficient place to live and get our energy from. Well, since this is a career tech education class, you might find some really interesting careers if energy transformations fascinate you. There are great paths available. Energy engineers design systems that capture and use energy efficiently. Automotive engineers work on engines and electrical vehicles. That's all about energy transformation. Manufacturing technicians also operate machinery that uses mechanical energy. Even theme park designers need to understand how energy is used to create safe and exciting roller coasters that people don't fly off of or get knocked out in because they're too extreme. The energy sector is one of the fastest growing career fields right now. So I hope you have taken something from this video, and make sure you check out our next video that looks at balanced and unbalanced forces, helping make things move.